Like, subscribe, and get notified.
कमिटी आसा कोर कमिटी म्हणून म्हणजे आमी खंय आमकां प्रॉब्लेम आसा खंयच्या एरियान आमकां प्रॉब्लेम आसा. लास्ट टायम आमी कन्स्ट्रक्शनाचेर प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो थंय गेली. ताच्या पयलीं आमकां हाजेर IDC इन द युनिट्स स्क्रेपयार्ड वी हॅड प्रॉब्लेम. बट नाव we realized that there is a problem in Rumdamo because of the garbage, and unfortunate incident has also happened here in this area just facing this. So amka popa dashile actually health officer, he has written so many letters to the collector, this panchayat, and but now we have realized that some of the area is of the housing board which we were not aware. So now we are going to issue the health officer of Purtorin will issue this to the housing board. There is panchayat also. There are a lot of houses which have been come, tenants are there, and the doors are locked, so we do not know whether there are any barrels inside which which are open, which could be breeding. And there is a lot of garbage and all thrown here, where there could be collection of this rainwater, and for dengue little, even 5 ml of water is enough to breed, and we can get hundreds of eggs in that. Mosquito can lie, and there may be a lot of cases. And here, since there is a lot of clustering, congestion in this area of people staying, we can get an upsurge because dengue happen, the cases don't happen isolated, they always happen in clusters.
Group of the National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program from DHS is here for a site inspection. The core group has been tasked by the Health Secretary to conduct time to time inspection where there are serious problems. And we have come here today in the background of the fact that a 5-year-old girl had expired to be considered to be a suspected dengue case. Now, as we have seen today, there are multiple issues. Issues in the sense there are the land where I am presently standing in the background. Part of it is with Komunidar, part of it is housing board, part of the panchayat. So we are here to look at what can be done, what needs to be done. And our recommendations from this inspection will be go so that the appropriate authorities first are petitioned under Public Health Act as to what is their responsibility and jurisdiction. Based on that, after 30 days, we will again take the follow-up. We have also seen here there are many people living in small rooms. There are chicken places operating on the footpath. Now, these are things that Panchayat has to act on. Therefore, we are looking forward that Panchayat in the next fortnightly meeting also will address the issues. But it is becoming very clear that if there is garbage and dump like this all over the place, abandoned vehicles, etc., it is not a shocking and surprise to see that this kind of a incident has happened where a poor child has lost her life.
आज पोल्युशन टास्क फोर्स आयिल्लो अलॉंग विथ आमी पंचायत आनी हेल्थ सगळ्यांक मेळून आज जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन केला. इन्स्पेक्शन करतना कळून आला की हांगा 3 लोकांची जमीन आसा. एक पंचायतीची आसा, गोवा हावजींग बोर्ड आसा आनी कोमुलदार आसा. आता पंचायत कितें आपली जमनीचे सगळे वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट मॅनेज करून ते कायदेशीर करता. आता जाता कितें मेन आतां गोवा हावजींग बोर्डाची विकंड लँड आहा. लोक कितें करता रातच्यान येवन चोऱ्यांनी थंय कितें गार्बेज डंपिंग करून वयता. ते तेन्ना आमचो हो कंट्रोल करपा जायना. दिसाचे हाल आमी कशे पण हँडल करता आनी लोकूय कांय खबर नासता राती येता आनी उडोवन येता म्हणल्यार हेजेर आमकां आज इतलो व्हडलो की एक धाकले एक भुरगो एक्सपायर्ड जाला आनी ती सगळे ब्लेम पंचायतीचेर येता. आनी पंचायत आमी आमचे कडेन जाता तशें आमी सगळे कंट्रोल करता आनी लोकांनी मातशें चिंतपा जाय कितें तुमची गार्बेज कशी आसा ताची सेग्रेट करून ते उडोवपा जाय आनी चोऱ्यांनी हांगा थंय उडोवचें न्हू. आतां आमी कितें करता आतां गोवा हावजींग बोर्ड हेंचे आमी आतां आमी कॅमेरा बसोवन थंय लोकांक हें करतले आनी कोण सांपडटा तांकां आमी फायन दितले.
Mohit Kharangte for Herald TV.
Watch on Herald TV.